We are in the middle of a major disaster area. This wind gusts are up to 70 miles an hour. Oh my God. Now I have some major damage to show you. Major damage. We have an overturned rock right here. Oh, I'm glad we survived that one. Maybe not the next one. Oh. Wind gust. Oh, I think we should be heading inside. So that concludes our coverage of this major storm. I have to go inside for my own. The official flag of my YouTube.
Hey, are you? Sure.
Oh no, my flag. Oh.
It's our flag, you idiot. OMG, Chainsaw Massacre.
Get it back up. Get it back up. Reclaim.
I threw it at mine. Here. OMG, Chainsaw Massacre.
Whoa no. Oh, the wind's just... Here's our Walmart. Wow, that's very right there. We need to get inside for our personal safety. We'll be back in a... Whoa, levitation, folks. We just had some debris fly by, and it's still going. This construction site porta potty has been overturned by the strong gust of wind.
That was tired.
Yes, it really does smell over here.
Now shut up and drive.